And now to the violence in the Caribbean. Haiti's police has launched a counteroffensive, killing at least 2 gang leaders in a span of 24 hours.
The days are numbered for the gangs. It is either you surrender to the authorities, that's the Haitian government, or we are coming for you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marcos. Now first of all, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel, everyone who is watching and liking my videos. Thank you so much. Now if you're coming across this video for the first time, please remember to subscribe, comment, like and share. Now this video is all about the current situation in Haiti. The Kenyan and Jamaican forces managed to kill 2 of the Haitian gang leaders. That's a very good progress. Now I want you to watch this video and I'll be back with more views.
Now to the violence in the Caribbean. Haiti's police has launched a counteroffensive, killing at least 2 gang leaders in a span of 24 hours. During the operation, a gang leader named Ernst Jume was killed in Port-au-Prince. Now, Jume was the leader of a faction called Delmas 95 and a close aide of the man who started the entire chaos, Jimmy Cherizier. Now, Jume's death is a major setback for Cherizier and his gangs, as Jume joined Cherizier's war only recently after a jailbreak. Jume had been tasked with the takeover of posh neighborhoods in Haiti's capital. Now Cherizier has vowed to avenge the death of his trusted aide. The former cop turned gang leader has threatened to increase the intensity of violence. Meanwhile, the international community has stalled its promised intervention in Haiti. And moreover, the Transition Council that was meant to take over after the Prime Minister Ariel Henry's resignation is facing a roadblock. The 9-member council had been finalized by the neighboring Caribbean nations and the United States, but now there are reports of a political divide in the Caribbean community as they fail to agree on a new leader for Haiti. However, Washington has said that the formation of the Transition Council is nearing completion.
I understand that Haitian stakeholders are very close to finalizing membership and remain in active discussions with CARICOM leaders as it relates to the makeup of the Transitional Presidential Council.
However, Cherizier's gang says that they will not allow the Transition Council to govern Haiti.
We don't recognize the CARICOM meetings. We don't recognize the UN Security Council meetings. We don't recognize the body group meetings. We don't recognize the meetings held at the White House. Haiti's destiny has already been made and is not part of any of.
As the fighting escalates, nations including France and Germany have begun rescuing their citizens from Haiti. India too has launched an operation with support from the Dominican Republic. Meanwhile, Washington continues to provide aid and relief for Haitians as calls for action grow in the United States.
It's in our backyard, and many of the residents of Haiti are from New York City, from Miami, and from other parts of the Americas. And it's imperative that we have an immediate response. We cannot ignore it and act like it is not taking place. There are immediate things we can do right now. Stop the flow of guns, stop the deportation, give the expertise on how to stabilize the community, and give the resources that are needed.
Now, with no sight of the Transition Council, Cherizier and his gangs have the upper hand, while the people of Haiti feel let down both by their government and the international community.
We have Vivasom, which is coordinated by Barbecue. His residence is around here, almost 700 meters.
There's nowhere within the mandate that has been given by the United Security Council. Before Christmas, I'm now fully going to embark on decisive operation. And that's the second phase. And that's where I'm saying that the days are numbered for the gangs. It is either you surrender to the authorities, that's the Haitian government, or we are coming for you. Because we are not going to sleep. We are not going to sit. We'll be out there day and night.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you have watched that video till the end. Now, we all know the Kenyan Jamaican forces were sent in Haiti to try and restore peace in that place. So I think as per now, we can see there is little change. They managed to take down 2 of the notorious Haitian gangs. They killed them dead. So big up to the Kenyan and Jamaican forces. I think with the leaders down, the whole system is weakened. So that's a good progress. And they have come out and sent a warning to the Haitian gangs that they should stop killing people. They should stop launching attacks. They should stop raping children. They should surrender, or else they are going after them. They are very confident and they will take these gangs down. So to the Haitian gangs, I think it's about time you surrender, or else you will go down like your brothers. So big up to the Kenyan and Jamaican forces for that. We all know what these wars have caused to the people of Haiti. There have been distractions, many people have been displaced, schools closed, insufficient foods. You know, there's a lot happening in Haiti. So these wars have caused a lot to the people of Haiti. The people of Haiti are living in fear. They're migrating, they're leaving their home country and trying to find refuge in other countries. So big up to the Kenyan and Jamaican forces, because I think with time there'll be peace in that country. On the other hand, Barbecue is not ready for that, because according to him, he's trying to fight the system. So until the system is down, I don't think Barbecue is ready for all that, because he says he's gonna fight until the whole system is down. He thinks the system is corrupt. He thinks the leaders are corrupt. He thinks they're not ruling according to how the people of Haiti wants. So I remember there was a video, he wanted the leaders to sit down with his gangs and talk. They need to talk one-on-one. So not just the leaders alone. They need to have a dialogue between the gangs and the leaders on how they're going to run that city. But sadly, the leaders were not ready for that. So Barbecue is still on with these wars, and he's not going to stop until the whole system is down. Now, we all know when there is war, there is always 2 sides. There are those people who are truly fighting for their country, and there are those who will use advantage of these wars. That's why you can see some of the cases whereby properties are destroyed, our daughters are being raped. These are the gangs who are trying to use advantage of these wars. Some of the people are saying Barbecue is a good person. They have said he has given food to their children, he has given them homes. So they are certain that Barbecue is trying to fight the system. And others are saying that these gangs are killing them, are destroying their properties, they are raping their children. So we can see there are 2 sides of these wars. There are those that are using these wars to their advantage, and there are those that are truly fighting for their country. I remember here in Kenya, we also went to the street. Our president was not listening to our problems, so we went to the streets, and during these wars, there was 2 sides. There are those people who are truly fighting for their rights, and some of them, they used this war to their advantage. Properties were destroyed, goods stolen. Many people lost their jobs, lost their businesses, so there was total destruction. We all know what wars brings. There is always 2 sides. I think that is also what is happening in Haiti. Some of them are using these wars to their advantage, to steal people's properties, to cause distractions, deaths, which is not really good. So thanks to the Kenyan Jamaican forces, they are ready to fight them, they are ready to deal with them, and there is a little progress in that country. So let's keep on spreading peace in that place. Let's keep on praying for the people of Haiti. I think as per now, we can see in future there will be peace in that place. Maybe Barbecue will decide to hold talks with them, or maybe surrender. But as per now, I think he's not ready for all that. Until the system maybe is down, Barbecue is not ready to surrender. He's not ready to stop the wars. So let's keep on praying for the people of Haiti. With time, I know they will find the peace they want. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Until my next video, one love.